A glide reflection. A glide reflection is a transformation involving a translation followed by a reflection. So if you remember when we started talking about composition of transformations where we could put two or more together, this is a type of composition where we're going to put two or more together, and first we're going to move it left, right, up, down, and then we're going to reflect it. Performing a glide reflection, example 3, graph triangle ABC with the given vertices and its image after the glide reflection. So A, B, C. A is starting at 3, 2. B is starting at 6, 3. And C is starting at 7, 1. And then dotted line. Now, our first one is our translation. And it specifically says x minus 12, which means we're going to be moving left 12. And then it just says y. So if it just says y, that means don't move it up and don't move it down. We are just going to move it left 12. So if we're moving left 12, a prime, I'm going to subtract 12, which is going to put me at negative 9. And then we keep the y the same, which is 2. So negative 9, 2. B, we're going to subtract 12, which is going to put us at negative 6. And then we leave the y alone. And then C is going to put us at negative 5, comma 1. And then I'm going to keep with a dotted line because we're not done yet. At this point, we then need to do our reflection, which they're saying, let's do our reflection in the x-axis. So the x-axis is right here. So now we have our green figure, and we're going to reflect it down. Now, if you remember your rule for this reflection, you can absolutely use it, but I'm just going to look at it on the graph. So a double prime, if I reflect down, it's 2 away. So I put it 2 away, which puts me at negative 9, negative 2. B double prime, I'm going to reflect down. It's 3 away, so I'm going to put it 3 away, which is negative 6, negative 3. And then C double prime will become negative 5, negative 1. So there is our new image after a glide reflection. And then also, if you just want to check that rule, notice that your x coordinates when you did that reflection did not change. But what happened with your y coordinates is that they just all turned negative. 2 went to negative 2, 3 went to negative 3, 1 went to negative 1. Number 4, graph triangle ABC with the given vertices, and then after the glide reflection. So I believe that triangle ABC is still the same one that we started with. So 3, 2, 6, 3, 7, 1. And we are first going to translate it by the given rule. So this time x doesn't have anything, so we're not moving left and we're not moving right. But we are going to move down 6. So if we're moving down 6, I'm just going to take A and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. which puts A at 3, negative 4. If I take B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's at 6, negative 3. And if I take C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is at 7, negative 5. And then I have A prime, B prime, C prime, and still a dotted line. Now we're going to take that and we're going to do a reflection in the y-axis. So the y-axis is right here. And we're going to reflect. So A double prime currently is 3 away. So 1, 2, 3 gives us A double prime, which is now at negative 3, negative 4. And notice this time it's the x coordinate that's flipping. B double prime is 6 away. So now we're going to go out to negative 6 away. So now we're at negative 6, negative 3. And again, it's the x coordinate that flipped. And then C double prime is 7 away. So now that's going to be at negative 7, negative 5.